Our next startup that we'll be pitching here at Housing Presents Unplugged 2015 is Magic Tiger.
This demo, or at least the projection part of it. Uh, I am founder of a company called Magic Tiger. There are two parts to this name, Magic and Tiger. We were very highly inspired by this company in the US called Magic, hence the name Magic. And because it's India, it's Tiger, right? So we thought we'll name it Magic Tiger. The other option, the other story that I tell about the name is that, of course, there is this elephant in the room in the VC business, which has a similar name. The idea is, when we go and pitch to them, it's just easy that, Magic Tiger hai, dal do paise soch ke rahe types, right? However, the story is actually something slightly different, which is that when Magic started, they wanted to fulfill whatever you want, right? And one of the guys actually asked for a tiger. And the story is that they tried a lot, they couldn't get it because of California laws, etc. But our intent is, we want to be the company that actually gets you whatever you want on a simple medium, which is WhatsApp or messaging. Thank you. So just to kind of quickly go through the problem today, there are lots of apps, huge number of apps. Everyone has about more than 40 apps today. Then people who come into the smartphone ecosystem don't know which app to download, right? Like for example, if you want groceries, do you want Grofers? Do you want Big Basket? Do you want Zopnow? You really don't know. And there is a lot of anecdotal evidence around which is better, which is worse, right? The last, and which is the most important, is that every one of us is very conversant chatting. Almost everyone has WhatsApp on their phones, right? There is no one who doesn't have WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is pretty much turning out to be the starting point for most people. We want to be the for communication. We want to be the starting point for all your transactions. So what can you do with Magic Tiger? You can order anything on Magic Tiger through WhatsApp, as simple as that. Just go ahead, start chatting, order anything. As of today, we are, as of today, we are live on WhatsApp. We are building a app on Android and iOS, which will enable you to do the same, experience the same in terms of chatting on the other platforms directly. The thought also was that why don't we have a hierarchical choice-based system where you go say that I want groceries and we show you Zopnow. The idea is that we want it to be free-form to the extent possible because we want you to actually come and fulfill any need that you have. We don't want to give you a structure that these are what we provide and this is what we can fulfill. We'll fulfill almost anything that you want, assuming it's legal, of course. Like, let's not get into the illegal part of it. Now, in terms of where we are, we have a very strong core team which is drawn from highly operational backgrounds, but at the same time leveraging technology to the hilt. We use, in terms of my background, I set up a company called PlusText, which was local language messaging. So that comes with messaging. My co-founder has very strong background in terms of setting up operations for a few $100 million companies. At the same time, we have expertise in-house, which is in natural language programming and chat analysis, which gives us a lot of insights into people before they even come onto our chat. Similarly, our focus is going to be deeply on three things. One is integrate operations tightly so that we can fulfill what you need. Get to gauge what the user wants and fulfill it magically. And then third is, of course, make chat as easy as possible. We are integrating with some of the names that you already know of in order to provide you a much better service. Let me just quickly walk you through. So these are all real chats, which I took a screenshot of, where people, right now are ordering stuff like coffee, food. There was one instance yesterday where one of you guys, I don't know whom, but I'd like to know, ordered a bottle of Nimbus, which is 20 rupees essentially, on chat, and we delivered. I hope that guy is here. I'd like to meet him later. But that is the kind of service that we want, where you order anything that you want, we will fulfill it to the extent possible. We also have tied up deeply with payment mechanisms, so that you can directly pay rather than going through a system outside. We have tied up with, we are going to tie up with some of the wallets, but InstaMojo as well. one of the most important integrations that we do is location, because it's important that we give you the best options around and play on and leverage all the hyperlocal plays around. So you can essentially save your location and then not tell us where to get delivery, etc. Thank you. Okay. So in terms of backend support, we have vendor management as well as backend support, which helps us manage customer expectations and relationships better. And as of now, we are live on WhatsApp, and we will be on Play Store by the end of June. Thank you. I'll be taking questions now. I will strongly encourage all of you to add that number on WhatsApp, save it as Magic Tiger, and start ordering. Right now, we have 1+1 on movie tickets, if you like watching movies. And
so
all
Magic
kinds of
Tiger, I can
services.
already see some people pulling out their cell phones, so I think you'll start getting a lot more requests. So can we get that person a mic, please? Yes.
Hi, this is Jitendra Goenka from Marai Bank. So we have companies for products, for example, Flipkart is there, Snapdeal is there, as well as there are companies for local services as well. So basically, are you trying to say that so you are a product company as well as for local services, and in case if you are providing for both, so how will you ensure that the products or services are delivered to the customer at the best prices after comparing several platforms?
So that's a very relevant question, especially for helping customers decide on one product. As we speak, we are also talking to a few of similar companies as yours in order to get better knowledge about, let's say you're trying to buy a phone, which is the best Android phone in this category, right? So we are building some of that knowledge internally, along with partners like yours. So I would love to talk if we can leverage your services.
Okay, we have one question, okay, there, and then we'll follow it up.
My name is Sunil. I represent a consumer asset company called Vendor.com. I have a question. How different are you from Lookup or Haptic?
So Lookup and Haptic are, they give a categorized view of things, right? They say that we are, if you want groceries, go and talk directly to the vendor. So Lookup, for example, is a very hyper-local kind of play, where they directly make you talk to the vendor. In our case, actually, let me tell you what the basis of Magic Tiger. It's actually to make you extremely lazy. Just go, open the chat and talk. You don't care about, if he serves groceries or this guy is, Aishwarya store or whatever. I like, fuck, lazy. Just go type, mere ko bas ek nimbus de do. That is the kind of address, use case that we are addressing, where no categorization, nothing, order something that you want.
Okay, one final question.
How has been the customer acquisition so far? I mean, you don't have an app, you have a number. So how has it been possible to talk about your services?
So right now we just started. So we started about a week ago,
Okay.
as in started rolling out to friends, family, companies. So it's been good. In fact, the good thing is that almost 60 to 70% of consumers who come and say hi actually result in a transaction, which is huge in terms of, because you already know that you have to do something.
But that's been word of mouth, right?
Yeah,
So
mostly word of mouth. So right now, we are in the process of, finalizing what the marketing acquisition strategy will be. We're very early stage still, so there's one more criteria. Yeah.
Okay, we'll just take one last question, and of course, they're going to be available here for you to network. Yeah, we already have someone here. Okay.
After you scale up the number of users, you'll have only one WhatsApp number. So how do you take care of the bandwidth in terms of if you have multiple requests at the same time?
So we do, actually, it's not one person sitting behind and chatting. That's not going to be scalable. Also, so one of the screens that I showed is that we do have a sales agent or chat agent panel where as of today, 20 people will be responding. So all these guys, when you respond, we will have 20 people responding to your chats. So we have a backend integration where a lot more people can respond even to the same WhatsApp number. So it's not like one person sitting and doing it. Absolutely. I mean, if you're the first touch point to the customer, then you Nimbus ho, groceries, movie tickets, you essentially will make a lot of money.
Okay, great. Thank you,
Thank you.
Magic Tiger.
Thanks.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Magic Tiger?